Good days, Delphi developers and other developers. Welcome to Delphi Tube from Qasim Shahzad. Let us create a no-code calculator GUI in Delphi in no time. And it's possible. Let us start from file, say new, and let us have a Windows VCL application. And it will start a new Windows VCL application for us. Let us rename the form as usual, and I will rename it to FRM main. Let us rename it through here. Quick edit, it's easier. Let us rename it to FRM main, and let us rename its caption to no code calculator GUI in Delphi. So let us save this. Here we have, as usual, for form we will say FRM main U, so it will be a unit, and save it. And for project, let us see if we can no code calculator GUI cannot contain spaces, so it will be a long name. So save all, and it is clear. Now for calculator, we first need an edit box. You see, and yeah, this is the edit box. And for edit box, let us rename it and optimize its appearance. We will say it EDT for edit box, and screen, it's calculator screen. And for text, as you know, we will say it 0.3, 0 point, and for its layout, let us click align with margin and say 8 pixel all side. I think is good, and let us align it on layout top and align top. Now it's good, but still its screen size should be better. And so for this we need to change its font. Let us change its font. Secure user interface is okay. Let us keep it semi bold. Let us keep it 18, and that's better. And let us text alignment left justify. That is it, make it right justify. So it almost looks like a calculator, but for most calculators we have not this equal side. Length is almost always longer. So let us see how we can change the length of this form. And width is 640. I think width should be 600, and no, width should be 400, and that looks much better. And what should be height? Height should be 600. Is it okay? Maybe. Let us height is 400, and width should be 300. So it looks like this, and then again, when this form is shown, it will not be on screen center, and we usually make it screen center. So we will set its position PO default pause only. Instead, we will set PO screen center, so that when Delphi shows it, it will be on screen center. And let us run it for a moment, see how it goes. And you see it is running here fine, no code calculator GUI, but where is its calculator part? I mean, every calculator has all those buttons and we still have to put it. So before putting any other button, let us make its GUI a bit beautiful. We will go to project options, and here we will see appearance. Okay, in appearance there are many custom styles available to us, and we can select and apply those custom styles. And let us see how it looks. It looks like this. Onyx blue, how it looks like this. It's good. But Ruby graphite, that's much better. Let us apply Ruby graphite, and default style will be Ruby graphite, and everything else is good. Now it's looking much better, but everything is good. So now we need to apply button sign. So it's very simple. We have not written any single code. Let us here search for virtual keyboard. Yeah, touch keyboard. Sorry, I forgot it. So this touch keyboard. Here it is, touch keyboard, and let us edit it quickly and name it to calc button. Okay, touch keyboard for we have TKBD and calc. Okay, and let us say 5 pixel. Good, but we also have to align it to all client. Just put it in here. Okay, so coming back, we get it, align it to all client, and here it is. And we should also give some margin on margin side. I think 5 will be a better. So it is, but all these keys are unnecessary. Let's first run it, see how it looks like. You see, it will look like this, and we have not written any single line of code. And the final step to make this GUI complete is going and finding this keys, and its layout is standard. Let's make its layout number. That's it. Okay, because this keyboard was bigger, so it changed our original form, height and width. So let us make it back again, and so client height might be, let's see, it was 500 and width was 400. Looks like better. Maybe 500 by 500 now looks like better. Anyhow, so this is the case. Let us run it and see how it goes. That's it. So you see, this is no code calculator GUI in Delphi, and we have all these things. It has no functionality of calculator yet, but still for its GUI we have not done anything, and it's all no code solution. And we can optimize it a bit to see how things goes. I think because these buttons are bigger, so our screen size should be also much bigger than that. Let us see how we can change it. Bold is okay. Let us make it 36. Looks much better now. So that's all for now. We have this no code calculator GUI in Delphi, and you see we can quickly create it. To add functionality, we have to add all these responses, this division, multiplication, subtraction, all these responses we need to create, and those are not difficult. Let me give you a hint for giving all these things. We need to go to ADT screen, and on its key press we need to handle all these things. I won't be doing this in this video because this video is no code GUI, but here you can write all kinds of responses and whatever keys press. For example, dot is at present there is no limit in entering dot. We can enter 10 times, but in real calculator we can only press dot on one time. So we have to see it. If dot already present in text, then don't accept it and make it 0. But if there is no dot, then let it go. Similarly, on a plus sign, we will save previous numbers current number to a num1 variable and empty the screen and take another number, and then again on plus sign or equal sign we will do the summation. But that's another thing. The good thing is the GUI part can be created very quickly, and with all those themes available we can make it very easy for our users to use this beautiful screen in no time. Thank you. Have a wonderful time. Please like, subscribe and comment, and of course share to help me grow faster. Thanks and have a great time. Bye.